I am Meiko and I'm coming to you from Seattle, Washington. I have probably 45 hats if my hair is not shaved bald and I'm not wearing a system that I'm in a hat or a head wrap. So even this right now is a little uncomfortable. This is gonna be a new look for me and the hair is phenomenal. I'm just kind of running my fingers through the system made me happy. I've done tape and I've done bond. I kind of go back and forth and there's sometimes I just shake my head. I'm actually looking to go permanent. So this is kind of like a foot in the door at locking in a look, locking in a style. Incredible. Living in a hat for the last month and a half has led up to this moment and the grand reveal was perfect. When the piece comes, it's completely different than the final product as well. Once he gets cutting and starts doing his artistry at that, I think that's where the magic really happens, that I get to see a complete transformation. And so this is nothing like what came out of the box. But the way that he cuts even, I'm able to style it my own and kind of play with it and make it work. And the bonding experience, I've been taped, I've been bonded. The taping is just as secure, I feel the same way, but bonding, I know I can go swimming, I can play with it, I can have other people play with it, and there's not that like panic of, oh no, it's gonna come off, it's gonna slip. There is none of that. There is no worry at all, and I feel secure, and I love that. Coming out of the water and being able to toss my hair and then go towel off, like no one knows. No one knows what's going on. This is something that I'm looking to spend big money on and actually be involved in for a long time. This industry is growing, growing, growing. And as we do that, I think it's important to carry messages like this with caliber like this. I think those two things together are magical. And that this was a complete surprise. And I absolutely love it.